Hello guys and welcome to Computer Coder once again. In this video we're going to solve today's daily challenge. So today's daily challenge is function find total marks. So the question is the function or method to find total marks, and the function will accept two argument values, the file name 1 and file name 2 represents the name of the two file name, where the first file name contains the list of the student's name and the second file name contains a mark of 3 subject. Then the find total mark must find the total marks of each student, then modify the content of the file, first file, by adding the total marks. Okay. Both the file have the same number of lines. The length of each student must be less than 30. Okay guys, they will be passing the two file names, and then we need to print the student name along with the total marks. So let us code for it. First, let me open a file in the name of file name file f1 equal to f open of file name 1 in reading mode, then file f2 with, let me open it with the file name 2 in reading mode. So next we can have a character array of names of let us declare up to 1000, but the name won't be greater than 30, right? So let us declare until 13. Then mark array, total mark of size same as 1001. Then we need to declare index of an array, and that's it, right? Then we can scan it. Then we need a subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. While app scan of can say like going to scan a string until we encounter a new line. Then we'll be scanning, we'll be storing it in names of index, but this should be equal to true. Then we will be scanning in file number 2, that will be subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Yes, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Yes, then we'll be storing it in total mark of index. Subject 2 plus subject 3. Then finally we'll be incrementing the index value. Then after we have collected the data, we will be closing the files. First let us close f1, then file close of f2. Then let me open the file 1 with a new name. File pointer is equal to f open of file name 1 in writing mode. Then we'll be declaring n of integer index. Then for equal to 0, then I is lesser than n, then I plus plus. I'll be writing f printf. I'll be writing in file pointer as percentage s space total mark, then new line. That will be names of index. Then total mark of index. I. So finally we need to close the file. That's it guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe to Computer Coder. Until then, bye.